चलिए चलिए, फोटो बाद में खींचना।
Hey guys, today is the summit day. Today I woke up at 3 a.m. and as soon as I stepped out of my tent and I look up the sky and wow, I could see the Milky Way extending from one horizon to the other. It felt as if I was under a big
हाँ,
blanket of stars. After this little wow moment, it was time to leave. I knew I hadn't had a nice sleep, which was much required. When we started the trek, I started at the front, and soon enough, I was lagging. I was feeling my shortened breath. Once in a while, I would stop to take few deep breaths and proceed. It was really difficult climbing the rocky mountains for the first few hours until the base of the Rupin Gully. Here are some of the pictures that we captured along the way.
चलिए चलिए सर, आपका पेट्रोल खत्म हो गया है क्या? अभी तो पास बाकी है। नाइस व्यू। क्लाउड्स आर शाउटिंग। थोड़ा आगे से सर, ज़्यादा आगे नहीं। ओरे से, अरे से, अरे वाली साइड से, इधर इधर इधर, दिस साइड विल बी सेफ। सर सांस फूल रही है आपकी। चलिए, हाँ चलिए चलिए, मूव कीजिए अब पास में। चलिए, एनर्जी बचा के। एनर्जी बढ़ता है, अंदर वाला एनर्जी। बोलिए आप भी कुछ।
Right now, we are at the base
guys,
of Rupin Gully. From here,
चलिए
it
चलिए
was
चलिए,
hell.
मूव कीजिए।
If we could cross this, it would all be over. But not that easy, you see. When you're staring at a snow wall inclined at 50 to 60 degree against you, the wall so high, even looking up at it will just demotivate you.
बना दूं। यस, कम ऑन, चढ़िए चढ़िए। स्टेप्स फॉलो करने, जहाँ से स्टेप्स है ना, स्टेप्स में चलना है। स्टेप्स में जहाँ जहाँ स्टेप्स नीचे चले हुए पहले का, उधर उधर से। यो स्नो पैच। चलिए चलिए, मूव कीजिए।
The idea was to look at the ground and
गुड
climb.
जॉब।
We wore micro snow spikes over the shoes and we were ready to climb.
चलिए चलिए सर।
We were clearly instructed to follow the footsteps ahead and not to overtake the other.
यहाँ से जिंदगी बन जाती है बड़े बड़ों की, क्यों? यही तो मैंने फंडा है, पास। गुड जॉब गुड जॉब गुड जॉब। चलिए 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 गेड़ा।
It was an extremely exhausting half an hour.
फोटो
I
बाद में
could see
खींचना।
that I had reached the end of the snow wall. Yes, I did it, I thought. The joy lasted only a second until I looked at the other side and realized it was nowhere close to the end. It looked like another 300 to 400 meters from where I stood.
चलिए
It
दादा।
was dead
Come on।
steep. The melting snow made it even more difficult. The path became slippery due to the melting snow, and it was a hard time climbing that wall. The weather was going crazy. It was freezing cold, and the strong winds coming our way through the pass added to our woes.
चलिए चलिए चलिए।
My body was totally exhausted.
चलिए सर आप बहुत रुक रहे हैं आगे। चलिए आप थोड़ा।
Climbing every single step seemed like a mission. The weather so harsh and the wind so cold, it was pricking the open areas of my cheek.
बहुत अच्छे।
My mind had gone totally blank. I had just one thought: to go ahead and climb the next goddamn step.
गुड जॉब गुड जॉब। चलिए चलिए मूव कीजिए। वो दिखे है ऊपर पास, ये क्रॉस करना है पास। वो देखो ऊपर थोड़ा रह गया बस 50 मीटर आखिरी। चलिए 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 गुड जॉब गुड जॉब। थोड़ा जल्दी चलिए।
I had forgotten everything apart from that particular thought.
आहा आहा फॉग चल रहा है भाई जी। क्या है सीन पानी। चलिए बहुत अच्छे। चलिए 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 बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं। चलिए चलिए सर चलिए। Come on। चलिए चलिए रुकना नहीं है, थोड़ा रह गया है बस लास्ट। आपका स्टिक दबा दिया मैंने। चलिए चलिए गुड जॉब। बोले बाबा मेरे बोले बाबा, सबकी सुने मेरे बोले बाबा। चलिए चलिए चलिए। Come on।
After a grueling 15 to 20 minutes, I could hear voices from the top cheering and celebrating. But for me, it was not yet over. 100 meters seemed very far. I was in no mood to celebrate until I reached the top. I thought I would celebrate only when I reached the top. Many of my friends were already there, and a couple of them just behind me. I took the final step to victory and I was on top. Just a moment ago, I wanted to shout in happiness, celebrate, but now I found myself all teary eyed. I could not control the tears blurring my sight. I saw my friend Anirudh standing there cheering me, waiting for a high five. But as I walked up to him, I hugged him tight and I cried. I felt a flurry of emotions within. There was no stopping. I was sobbing and crying like a baby. I let it all out and calmed down a bit. After a minute, I felt that all the anger, the baggage of the past and the present went down along with those mighty tears. I felt stronger than ever before. The tears took away some pain for sure and definitely made my heart feel lighter than ever before. It's been quite some time, and even now I have no answer to the question, why did I cry?